Right, here we are at Timor. We have a fly.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Gimbal. That's it. Right, let's go on. What a beautiful view. And there's the sea. In we go. Let's see how high we can go first. Yeah, 62, 60, 70 metres. 80. Wow. There we go. 110.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
That's 120. Right, look at that. Let's go to the sea. And we're going to the sea, Sam. Yeah, beautiful. I tell you what, the wind isn't too bad. I've had no warnings or anything. So we're just going over to the sea. Let's put the gimbal up a little bit. Look at that. The sky's nice. It is. Let's look down. Look at that. As we fly over them, all these caravans. Too many of them, isn't there? It's like Caravan City here. But beautiful. I'm at the maximum altitude, 120 metres. I'd have to redo it for getting higher, but that's more than high enough. It is. I've got blue sky in front of me with the way I'm looking, I have anyway. Let's put the gimbal up. Right, am I over the sea or something? No, we're getting there. We're just getting towards the beach. There's the beach, which I've just been on, metal detecting. Found a few coins. Awesome. We're on video. Brilliant. Hello. Beautiful. Yeah, we're just getting over the shingle now. Let's look down at the shingle. Well, we're not. We're nearly. There's the shingle. Yeah, the tide was coming in. It was. I thought it was. And there we go. And that's beautiful. Right, let's just stop there now. Put the gimbal up. That's it, and let's just turn to the left and have a look. I tell you what, how dark is it over that way? Right, let's do a full circle. See if it's any better the other way. Yes. So, we'll go that way, eh? We'll go that way a bit. Probably towards the fair, would you? Let's bring it down. Tell you to the very light. Let's see if I can adjust it, just in case it's mine. No, I can't do any. Oh, I might be able to. Let's see. No, it isn't. We'll keep on. We'll keep on going up towards the fair. And then we'll probably come down the road, actually. See if we can find Aaron. Let's fly over the sea. Beautiful. It's just a shame it's not a bit more lighter. Oh, yeah, the signal's weaker that way. Oh, let's come back. It's only a quick flight. The captain says we've got to turn back. So we'll just come in. Remote control. Signal is weak, it says. Weak signal, avoid blocking the antennas. That's probably where it is. Right, anyway, we're coming home. I always have problems, I do. Don't I? Always. Look at all this. Like containers, don't they? But we're not the caravans. What about a caravan? Sorted. And there's Timor, where you can see we're at that end in that field. We are somewhere, or are we not? Let's get back on track. We're coming home. We are. Short flight. We are. It's all the trees around me, even though we've not got that many. But something must be blocking the view. There's trees over there. Could be there. We're 280 metres away. We are 280 metres away. But at least we've had a drone flight because the weather has been raining. And then it's cleared up. 150. So, It'll be nice to see where we're going to come. We should be hearing it and seeing it soon. Let me have a walk round. So I should be coming from that direction, I should say. I would. I can't see it yet. I feel like a little pin dot in the sky. But it's coming home. It is. We're 120 metres off. We are 120 metres off. It's coming. But I don't know where yet. Ah. Alright, let's go that way. That's it. And we're coming in. We're coming in. As we see. So it's somewhere about. My drone, yeah, have you seen it? It's in that sky somewhere. It is. Wow. That's we'll be here in a minute. It's in the sky somewhere. Have a look, we'll see it. It's behind the cloud probably. I'm just bringing it home now. Well, it should be close now. There it is, we've got it. Yeah, that's it. There you are. Let's come down, eh? It's dropping now. Brilliant. Let me put the gimbal, well. That was a good fly, that was. Over to the sea, up the road, back. Let's put the gimbal out and have a look. Can we see Big Beefy? Yeah. Here's Big Beefy. And there we are. And there's me. Let's see. Right, what I'm going to do, right, and then this way, come this way. See if we can see Sam. Can you see Sam? We're coming to you. Pick that up. I've got you. Right. Land on that table. How good's that? Brilliant. Hey? Oh, come this way there, come this way. That's it, let's go down.
Landing.
Yeah, that was perfect.